Hey everyone, Bryn Blaze here with ElevationGuild.com, back with another review for you. In today's video we're going to take a look at RoyalQ, quite an intriguing social trading platform out of China that looks quite promising. We're going to go into the pros and cons, and I'm going to share with you everything you need to know if you've been doing your research on this platform. If you're brand new to the channel, hit that subscribe button, my friend, to stay in the loop, and be sure to smash the like button if you get value from this video. Comment below, let me know what you would like me to review next. So with that said, let's dive in. So in a nutshell, RoyalQ is a crypto copy trading platform that allows you to copy and mirror the trades of their quantitative trading software. So what is quantitative trading? We won't go too far down the rabbit hole or get too technical, but it essentially analyzes numerical metrics and statistics, runs them through mathematical models, and uses that to make entry and exit decisions in the market, in its market analysis. So that could be something like trading volume. It could also be social sentiment. Now, one thing that differentiates RoyalQ, makes it quite alluring and attractive, is the fact that you stay in full, complete control of your cryptocurrency assets at all times, your trading capital. Unlike a lot of these websites where you're depositing through the website and giving control to whatever the company is that could do a rug pull, do an exit scam, and leave with your money. Literally, worst case scenario, if anything were to happen to RoyalQ, the company itself, all that would happen is that you're no longer able to utilize their copy trading platform, but your cryptocurrency remains intact in your own control inside your own cryptocurrency exchange. So obviously that's a big plus. It's a big green flag in favor of RoyalQ. So how much are they charging for something like this? Well, as you can see here, it's actually only $100 per year, which is extremely price competitive. On top of the $100, which I'll cover later in the video, you're just going to need about $20 in USDT to cover transaction fees, gas fees for the actual trading, and I'll show you how you would go about doing that with their app that you can see here along the left hand side. Downloadable app, you can get it in the App Store, Google Play Store. I'm going to share the screen of my phone, walk you through, give you a bit of a guided tour of that app and how you would actually copy the trades if you choose to do so. So there's a 20% performance fee, as you can see here. So 20% of your trading profits that you make, RoyalQ keeps. So that's quite competitive with copy trading. You'll see sometimes even 50-50 splits. The average is usually 70-30, where you get to keep 70% of the profits. So that's quite reasonable where they're only keeping 20%. And if you think about it, they have a financial incentive to make the software as profitable as possible, because they only make money if you make money. So there are two cryptocurrency exchanges that are compatible with this at the time of recording this video, and those are Binance, and I'll probably pronounce this wrong, but Huobi.com. Alright, so let's take a quick look at the RoyalQ mobile app, which is going to be your main avenue of interaction with this copy trading platform. So initially you're going to be given a sign-up link from whoever refers you to RoyalQ. You're going to be creating your account by entering an email, creating a password, and verifying the email. Now those are your account credentials, and then you will come along and you will download the app either from the App Store, Google Play Store. Type in RoyalQ, it's going to look like this. Install that app, and then you're going to enter those login credentials that you created. So once you've done that, you're going to enter into the app, and the first place you want to start is right here in this blue square, which is the quantitative course. You want to go through these videos one by one to get an understanding of what's going on here, and then down the bottom you're going to see walkthrough instruction videos of how to integrate the app with either Binance or the other one. I can't think of the name of it. It's a funny name. So that's the first place you want to start, and once you have that done, obviously then you want to pay your $100 to activate your account. So once you've activated your membership, the next thing you would want to do is come up here to API bind, whether it's Binance or Huobi, and you would enter in these credentials right here from your crypto exchange. It's beyond the scope of this video to dive into that. It's not a setup tutorial, this is a review, but those videos are in here inside this course like I showed you previously. Now, I saw a lot of videos where there's teams, there's groups that are giving out specific input settings. They're doing more of a manual trading approach almost. They're coming down here they're choosing which pairs they want to trade, and they're modifying these input settings here, which can be gobbledygook to somebody that's brand new to trading, and these particular strategies that are being utilized. If you're brand new, I just suggest that you simply follow what's already in place and leverage not just the intellect but the technology of others and what's already in place. So come down here to the circles, and this is where you're going to find several groups. They're calling them circles that you can copy and follow. You're going to see the social proof. Maybe that's one of the metrics you want to go by, how many other people are following this. You can see how many people are subscribed. So let's just pick one at random and I'll show you. Actually, there's one here I believe is quite popular. Let's say To the Moon. If we open that up, you can see how many members there are subscribed to this. And right here you can see the crazy types of returned strategy. I mean, we're talking over 1400% return ROI at the time of recording this. If I open that up, you can see the cryptocurrency pairs, trading pairs that this particular strategy is utilizing. It trades quite a broad spectrum of pairs there, which is quite good. When you would come along, then you've chosen this circle to sync and to copy, you would just click sync strategy. I believe you can follow more than one, and then you're going to be given two options. Basically your entry capital for one trade, depending on your overall trading capital. You might want to play with that. Something like 3 to 5% of your overall balance per trade would be pretty good risk management, or you could do lower than that. And then you're given the option of how many trades you want to have open at any one time, which is quite powerful. It means you're not going to over leverage yourself. You're not going to run out of equity or get a margin call on your trades. So to be honest, I really like what they've done here with this app, with the layout. It's quite intuitive, user friendly. There's detailed step-by-step tutorials, instructions in there, everything you really need to know to get started, and full automation if you want to simply just copy and leverage what's already in place. So quite powerful. Next, we're going to quickly dive into the compensation plan. I know probably the majority of you came to this review more for the trading aspect and to just leverage as a customer, leverage the technology itself, but there's a lot of you with influence and audience or want to 5x, 10x your income by sharing this with others. So we'll quickly run through the comp plan. So the RoyalQ compensation plan is quite freaking lucrative. It has 6 ranks that you can achieve here, and I'm going to explain in a minute why it's so lucrative. There's some massive leverage and passive residual income that can be earned. So V1 membership, which is the first rank, is simply the activation of your own account, and once you're at that rank, once you're an active member, you're a V1 member, and then you get to earn $30 or 30% of a person's $100 annual activation fee. You also get 20% of the trading profits generated by your entire team. So if you refer people and they refer people, everyone in your team, you're earning 20% of the profit, and that can be extremely powerful as people compound their profits, as people's accounts start to grow. It can add up quite fast. V2 membership, obviously rank 2. You want to directly refer 3 people that activate the bot and have a total team size of 20 people. Then you're going to earn 30% of the trading profits from your entire team, and you're going to get $10 for everybody in your organization that pays that $100. So you're getting basically a 10% commission on everyone that joins in your entire team on their upfront payment, the annual payment. V3, as you can see, you're starting to see the pattern. The requirements increase. 4 direct referrals that have activated the bot, and then the thing about network marketing, the thing about compensation plans is you can only succeed to the extent that you help others succeed. So you need to bring people along with you. You need to step into your role as a servant leader and start to teach people how you got to V3 in order to get 3 of those 5 direct referrals to the V2 membership rank with a total team size of over 100. So you need duplication. You need to create leadership in your organization and help those people rank advance. So you're going to get a 50% direct referral bonus. So anyone you personally refer, you get 50% of their $100 annual fee. And as you can see, this is now increased to 40%. So you're now earning 40% of the performance fee. So RoyalQ charges the 20% performance fee, and then you're getting 40% of that profit. But if that's a profit on 100 people that are all trading with an average of $1,000 account, do the math on that one. And now you're getting $20, that upfront money, on everyone that joins your organization. V4 membership, directly refer 8 people that activate the bot, make the deposit, pay. Help 3 of those people get to the V3 rank with the total team size of 300. So 3 of your personally sponsored people need to step into leadership and achieve the V3 rank in order for you to hit V4. You're getting a 60% direct referral bonus on their $100 payment for everyone you directly refer. And now we're at 50% of the profits that people are earning in their trading account in your entire team, which is pretty insane. And now you're receiving $30 on their $100 upfront or their annual payment. V5 membership, the 5th rank you can achieve in RoyalQ. At this point, you're making some pretty sweet money on a daily basis. I believe there's an African leader that's at V4 right now, the time of recording this video, and they're making anywhere from $3,000 to $5,000 per day. So it's big money, guys, in this comp plan. V5, you've personally enrolled 12 people that have activated the bot, and you've helped 3 of those get to V4. So as you can see the pattern emerging, it's like a trailing rank. They're just one rank behind you, and you're one chapter ahead of them, and that's all you have to be a leader. You just have to be able to see the next step to guide and lead people. And your overall team has grown to 800 members at this point. You're getting a 65% direct referral bonus on that $100 for those you personally refer, and 55% of the profits in your entire organization, which is insane, and $40 US on the $100 payment, again, in your entire team. V6 membership, you've maxed out the comp plan, you're at the very apex of the payouts, and you're making some pretty sweet money at this point. You've personally referred 20 people that have activated the bot. 3 of those people have reached V5, and you've a total team size of 1,500 in your organization. So as you can see here, the way to win and maximize this compensation plan is to obviously duplicate your efforts, but find 3 people who are willing to step into their own role as a leader, that see the vision and lock arms with you, and you take them with you, and you help those people, those 3 people that are serious. You focus 80% of your efforts, follow Pareto principle, the 80-20 rule. Give 80% of your efforts to those big hitters, the heavy hitters, the ones that's producing 80% of your overall revenue and income in the business. That's where you put your focus. And then you earn 70% direct referral from everyone you personally refer. You're earning 60% at this point of the trading profits in your entire organization, and you're getting $50 of everyone that signs up and pays that $100. Very powerful compensation plan. It all falls on the quality of the trading. That's the thing. Is it going to be consistent? Something I didn't find a lot of. I need to dive deeper. Perhaps you can share with me some more trading results. I did find some, but I'd like to see a verified historical record of the kind of trading performance that you could see monthly. I didn't see how much drawdown or if it has losing months, but you go into them circles that I showed you inside the app, you can see the overall returns percentage that has been made. So I think I'm going to test this myself, to be honest. I'm going to set it up this evening and connect to some of those circles and just let it run and see what happens. RoyalQ, I mean, they appear to be anonymous. I couldn't find owners. It's a Chinese company. It has translated this website into English, so there's some grammatical errors, but to be honest, I'm only concerned about the transparency of the ownership if I'm giving my money to the company. That's when I want to do my due diligence. That's when I want them to open up the books and show me with full transparency exactly what's going on. I want to see those kind of things. But with this worst case scenario, you're paying $100 a year and you're getting to mirror the trades, and the money, as I said, is staying in your own control. Your crypto is staying in your own exchange. So RoyalQ appears to be quite a promising copy trading platform. Hope you got some value from this review, my friend. I know it ran on a bit long, but it's been an interesting one to dive into. probably test it out for about 6 weeks, and then I may introduce it as a recommendation to our Elevation Guild community. If you're not a part of that community, be sure to hop over to elevationguild.com, get plugged in, join our Facebook group, join our Telegram channel, and we do all this due diligence and careful research on everything that we recommend and everything that we share before we share to the community. So if you'd like to leverage all of that intellectual investment that I've made in doing my research, do that, my friend. Plug in there, learn how to diversify your income in a sustainable way with income revenue generating projects that are going to stay around, that are there with longevity and sustainability. So hope to see you on the inside, my friend. Hope you got value from this. Hit the like button, let me know what you thought in the comments below, and see you in the next video.